Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best air hockey pushers and pucks is probably one of the most crucial elements to elevate your game, transforming a casual pastime into a thrilling competitive experience. Whether you're a seasoned arcade champion or just starting out, the right set of pushers and pucks can dramatically affect the speed, control, and overall enjoyment of your air hockey matches, making them an essential consideration for any serious player looking to dominate the table. Number 5. Best Choice Products 58 inches mid-size arcade air hockey table. Bring the excitement of the arcade right into your home with this air hockey table. Its powerful motor ensures a smooth and fast-paced game every time. Crafted from high-quality materials with reinforced corners and leg support, this table is built to last. Enjoy countless games with its sturdy construction. Keep track of the score easily with the integrated manual and LED electronic scoreboard. It also features a convenient puck dispenser on each side. This set comes complete with everything you need for immediate fun. It includes 2 pucks, 2 pushers, and a handy carrying bag for easy storage. Certified for safety, this air hockey table is perfect for both kids and adults. It's a fantastic way to enjoy friendly competition and create lasting memories. The 12V DC motor provides an even spread of air, allowing the puck to glide effortlessly across the surface. Experience the arcade-like feel with every shot. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable and durable air hockey table for your home or office, this is a great choice. Its sturdy construction and powerful motor ensures smooth gameplay, while the LED scoreboard adds a fun, modern touch. It's perfect for family game nights or friendly competition among colleagues. What people say. The pushers are a good size and weight for the table. The pucks glide smoothly across the surface. The set includes multiple pucks, which is great for longer games. Number 4. SereneLife 58 inches powered air hockey table. Experience an upgraded, high-performance motor that delivers twice the power of other brands. Enjoy a smoother, faster game with our powerful 12V motor. This full-size, arcade-style table offers a generous playing surface, perfect for intense 2v2 matches. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand even the toughest gameplay for hours of enjoyment. Keep track of the score with the integrated digital LED scoreboard. It's powered directly by the unit, so you'll never need to worry about replacing batteries. Safety is paramount. An inline power switch allows for easy on and off operation without unplugging, making it simple and safe for kids to use. This complete package includes everything you need for exciting 2v2 gameplay. With 4 pushers and 2 pucks, you're all set for friendly competition right out of the box. What we like. For those who crave an even more intense and faster-paced game, this table boasts an upgraded, more powerful motor for superior puck glide. The full-size playing surface and the unique 4-pusher setup make it ideal for larger groups or families who enjoy 2v2 challenges and competitive play. What people say. Very sturdy, well made. The fans work really well, it's perfect size. I was afraid it wouldn't be big enough, but it is perfect. This air hockey table is really amazing. Easy setup with included accessories, it came with a cool LED scoreboard and score tracker. The strong airflow ensures fast, smooth gameplay for all ages. Sturdy and well built, it's perfect for family fun and game nights. Number 3. Best Choice Products 54-inch LED air hockey table. Experience smooth and fast-paced play with a powerful motor that ensures consistent airflow across the entire surface. This means uninterrupted fun for everyone. Keep track of the action with a vibrant LED scoreboard that lights up with every goal. Enjoy the exciting competition with colorful lights and sounds. This game is more than just fun, it's a fantastic way for children to develop essential skills. They'll improve their hand-eye coordination, precision, and reaction speed. Enjoy a stable and fair game every time. Our table features robust leg supports with levelers, ensuring it stays steady even on uneven floors. Play with confidence thanks to the smooth, rounded corners designed to prevent injuries. This thoughtful feature makes it safer for more enthusiastic gameplay. Get ready to play right out of the box. This set includes everything you need, like 2 pucks and 2 pushers, for immediate fun. What we like. If you're seeking a table that combines exciting visuals with developmental benefits, consider this option. The light-up LED scoreboard with sounds and lights creates an engaging atmosphere, and the fast-paced gameplay is excellent for improving hand-eye coordination and reaction speed, especially for younger players. What people say. The overhead LED score counter was a big hit. It worked well, and the LED lights and hockey game sound effects added a nice touch. The larger pucks also moved freely and were less likely to fly off the table. The electronic score works very well. The airflow on the table works well. Number 2. Super Z Outlet Air Hockey Replacement Puck and Slider Set. Bring your air hockey table back to life with this replacement set. Perfect for swapping out old or lost equipment, it's a must-have for any game room. Crafted from durable red plastic, these pieces are built to last. The striker felt bottom ensures fast, smooth gliding while protecting your table surface. These replacements are designed to make competitive matches more thrilling. Experience the fast action and new table feel in your games. The ergonomically designed strikers offer a comfortable grip. They enhance the overall game experience, even during intense play. Don't let lost pucks stop the fun. This set provides a quick and easy solution so you can get back to playing the game you love. Designed to fit most standard air hockey tables, these accessories will take your game to the next level. Enjoy enhanced gameplay and comfortable handling. What we like. If you already own an air hockey table but need to replace worn-out or lost accessories, this set is your solution. It provides a quick and easy way to refresh your game with durable pucks and comfortable strikers, ensuring your competitive matches remain thrilling and smooth. What people say. The pushers are well balanced and glide smoothly across the table. The pucks are durable and have a good weight to them, making for fast-paced games. This set is a great value for the quality of the materials and craftsmanship. Number 1. Happ Commercial Hockey Pusher Set. Introducing our commercial hockey goalies, designed for durability and performance. These are built to withstand intense gameplay. This set comes with 2 large green air pucks. They are engineered for smooth gliding across the table. Each puck weighs approximately 1.4 ounces. This provides a satisfying heft for strategic play. Experience the difference with our extra-large 3.25-inch pucks. Their size ensures they are easy to control and track. These accessories are extra heavy and specifically designed for commercial tables. They offer a superior gaming experience. What we like. For serious players or those with commercial-grade tables, this set offers a more substantial feel. The extra heavy, large pucks and commercial-sized pushers are designed for durability and a more challenging, authentic arcade experience. If you're looking to upgrade your existing commercial table's accessories for intense play, these are the ones to get. What people say. They are sturdy and feel like the set you'd find at an arcade. The weight was nice but not overbearing for a kid. The color was spot on with the UV black lights. Good, heavy-duty quality. The puck is nice and thick and the rim to protect little fingers is a lifesaver. Definitely holding up well to daily use by kids. Works exactly as expected and look great under a black light, which makes it even more fun to play. These pucks are slightly larger than what is recommended for my amateur ESPN air hockey table, but still play nicely. The added weight of the puck helps to keep it from flying off the table. Very cool under a black light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.